itching his ear.
Yes.
Oh, hello.
Hello.
Hello, little Rory.
Hi, Rory.
He just did a burp.
Oh.
It's a pop out of his mouth, isn't he?
Uh-oh.
Oh, Anton, he likes you. He's trying to get to you, isn't he? Say hi.
Hi. Hi.
Hi, Rory.
Hi, Rory.
I'm your big brother.
Hi, Raya. Oh.
Oh, what did he do?
What's that?
Was he trying to give you a kiss?
Yeah.
Oh, that's nice. Nice and gently, just gently. Oh, you like that.
Oh.
Look at his hands.
Mm.
Oh, he's yawning.
Mm.
Oh, he's going to snore. Go back to sleep. Go back to sleep.
Is that your brother, Anton?
He was in Mummy's tummy, wasn't he?
Oh.
What's he doing? He's trying to get you. He's got one eye open. So he's picking at you.
Oh, who's that?
What did he do?
It's this baby.
Hello, Rory.
Hi, Rory. Oh. Oh. It's that.
He opened up his mouth big and wide, didn't he?
Gently,
Just gently with this, because
gently.
he'll think it's booby.
Mm.
Now try and suck your finger.
Yes.
Just go back to sleep.
Ah!
Oh.
Is that your baby brother?
Oh, baby.